power slap announcer, Justin Bernard.
Introducing to you first in the
toss.
A couple of weeks ago, we see if he can finish that again. Take a look at this. Lands a little one, look at that low stance, trying to get as much power as he can. But nonetheless, a pretty...
You gotta outdo him. You gotta clean.
He should... Take a look at the feet of Rhodes right here. You can crowd. Oh! Two of the hardest consecutive shots I've seen him take.
rounds. We go to the judges' scorecards for a decision. Brandon the Ripper